Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to download the latest Windows 11 26H1 bootable ISO. You can download the ISO and create a bootable USB drive later for installing the Windows 11 26H1 update. In this video, I will introduce a tool named sysqt for downloading the latest Windows OS ISO file directly to your PC. Download the software named WinBootmate from the sysqt website and install it. Then launch the software. Here, select the Download Windows ISO option. Then select the version of Windows from 7 to 11 and set the edition to 26H1. Then click Start. Activate the software before proceeding. After activating, it will start downloading the ISO file. Please wait until the download process finishes. Another method to download the 26H1 ISO file is the direct download method. Copy and paste the link given in the description box. It's a Microsoft OneDrive link. Now click the download button to start downloading process. After downloading the ISO, you can create a bootable USB using Rufus software. The videos are already uploaded. Please have a look at the description box to find the video links. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.